Alright, you guys, Loser Person 2006 coming at you with another quick unboxing. I picked up a couple things today. As you can see, Blu-ray, anime, and a manga. I've been meaning to pick this up for a while and it came out not too long ago, so let's go ahead and unbox these few things so that way I can show you guys how they look like. But I picked up Kampfer, Heroic Age on Blu-ray, and High School Dev Volume 2. Sorry, it's just how to open this. There we go. Volume 2, can't wait for Volume 3, which releases out in July. I wish they would tell you in the back, but they never do. Next thing, we'll open Heroic Age Save Edition. I've been meaning to get this, heard some good things about it. Like that. As you can see, you got this 1, 2, and 3. That's how they should do Blu-rays. Not put them up in separate DVD cases. Just one case would be fine. And Kampfer. I don't even know how to pronounce this shit right. I'd be so pissed off if DVD sales do good on this, and then all of a sudden they put out a dub. Through 6, 7 through 12, and a special OVA. You can see this 1 and 6. Oh, this one, episodes 1 and 6, and episodes 7 through 12. Special OVA. That's my unboxing for Kampfer, Heroic Age, and High School of the Dead, Volume 2. So, stick tuned later. I'm gonna do another unboxing. Well, stay tuned for my next unboxing. I don't know what it will be, but you know, just rate, comment, subscribe as always. Alright, take it easy, deuces, and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers.